Hello everyone, my name is Clark from Cosmo Scientific, and today we're going to be testing for stainless steel 316 using the stainless steel 316 verification kit. This kit works by testing for molybdenum content in 316. For today's demonstration, we have a sample of stainless steel 316 and a sample of stainless steel 304. To perform this test, first we take one piece of our 0500 moly test strip and place it down on each of the test samples. And now we have our spotter. To perform a proper test using the spotter, you must contact the tip to our test strip and the metal ring to the test metal simultaneously. If things are done properly, the indicator light will turn on to show that current is flowing. And now that we're ready, I'm going to press down for 3 seconds on each of the test samples. And now we will wait 1 minute for the color reaction to fully develop. Now, on the right side, we have this faded out brownish spot, indicating that 304 has no molybdenum. On the left, we have this pink spot, which is a positive result, indicating that 316 has moly content. Thank you for watching.